Well, guys, we're going to see if we can get the Buick going. Like I said, I haven't had it going since last year sometime. But anyway, I just got this little gas tank here. I got off a lawnmower, stuck it into the carburetor, and we'll see if she fires up and get her in the doghouse. Wish me luck. But it's a nice day today, so I hope it's going to start up. Plus, it's got a block heater. I found a block heater in it the other day, so I've had it plugged in for the last couple hours just to make sure that it's warm. So shoot a little gas in the carburetor and see what happens. Well, wish me luck. Imagine that. Oh, yeah, so fire her up again, get her in the garage. What do you think about that, guys? While we're in here. Yeah, I got her in here. Kind of a scary ride because it didn't have any brakes. Yeah. Yeah. Right on. There, doesn't that look cool? Yeah, I'm happy. So now we'll get this up in the hoist and finish the brakes. I got a one brake cylinder. Yeah, I got a brake cylinder I got to put on, and one brake line, and then bleed the brakes and maybe restart on the body or tearing it apart or rewiring it or whatever. But yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, so stick around for this build, guys. It's not going to be happening right away, but it's going to be happening this winter. Andy's doghouse. And Andy's dog. Hey, Cash, it's a good puppy. Okay. See you later, guys.